Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So collections in Perplexity AI are supposed to be your personal knowledge library. So a place where you can save, organize and always revisit your most important threads. Whether you are researching a project, saving recipes or even basically creating information for work. Collections are essential for keeping everything organized. But what happens when you open your collections tab, but nothing loads? Or the page just spins forever? Or you even see a blank screen where your saved threads should be? It's basically quite the issue because all that organized information feels like it's just out of reach. The good news is that collection loading issues almost always fall into one of a few categories, either a temporary server glitch, corrupted local cache, or even a session problem. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through all of this fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. According to Perplexity's official help center, the very first thing to try is a hard refresh. Hard refresh your browser page by pressing Ctrl plus F5 on Windows, Command Shift plus R on Mac. Why this always works? Because a hard refresh forces your browser to ignore case files and download fresh content from Perplexity's server. This often resolves temporary loading glitch. If you want to make sure everything is totally fine, you can either try out another device or go through perplexity.ai, the website. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.